What if I told you that one action guided purely by your intuition could get you to your next step faster or an instant solution? Here's how it happened to me and how it can happen to you too. So here's the situation years ago. I was working on this big, audacious vision. It was given to me by intuition, it was international. People thought I was a little crazy for it. I had started to build a network, I had parts of the roadmap that I needed to move forward, but I was still missing something tangible, a specific piece of the puzzle that I needed. I just didn't know exactly what it was yet. So one morning, I'm in Tahoe. I'm up there with friends. I'm drinking coffee. And I hear this voice in my head that says, call Stan. Now, I hadn't spoken to Stan in years. It made no sense. I worked with him in a completely different industry, totally unrelated. There was no logical reason to call him as it related to this vision. But the nudge was strong, and I've learned to trust those. So I picked up the phone, and when we spoke, I said to him, look, I have no idea why I'm calling you, but here's what I know I'm supposed to do. I laid out the vision, the market, the ecosystem, the players, the connections. He paused and he said, you don't know this, but I'm actually working now in that exact space. We have a tech that might be the right fit for what you need, especially with your network and location. And just like that, I had the piece I was missing. Now, if I hadn't followed that nudge, what would I have done? I could have scrolled through thousands of names on LinkedIn, hoping that one might stick or that I might realize it's him, or spend hours, days, or weeks mapping out strategies, analyzing options, reaching out cold and guessing. Yeah, we do that. And still, I might not have found him, but my intuition did instantly. Here's what was really happening. My system, my body and brain was scanning, constantly pinging what I call the invisible cloud of information. I locked onto the exact frequency, the data point, the packet of information that was aligned with my next step. That's why I say it's your intuition, but also part of your full spectrum intelligence. It's your system acting like an IoT device, constantly pinging the cloud of invisible information and pulling down what you need with precision. And in that moment, the signal came through hearing. I literally heard a voice in my head that said, call Stan. And that's one of the ways intuitive intelligence communicates through your senses. For me, it does often show up as a voice, what some call clear audience or clear hearing. For others, they might feel something, have a visual image, or a deep knowing. The real work is learning how to discern the signal. Is it fear? Is it a random thought? Or is it guidance, a piece of invisible information that's trying to break through? And with hearing, you need to learn if it's a thought or an actual message, and that comes with practice and discernment. And here's the thing, this isn't just something I can do. We all have access to this level of intelligence, but most people haven't been taught how to recognize it, access it, and let alone trust it, especially in business. And this is why it's not woo woo and it's not magic, it's physics. The more you practice, the faster it gets, the clearer it gets. So if you hear something, try it, practice. Start with something fun and see what happens. And remember, it may not be logical, but give it a go. You can start making faster, smarter, and more aligned decisions, get better, faster answers, and save yourself a ton of time while actually having a lot more fun along the way. So, if you want to go deeper into the story or to learn how to spot intuitive signals in your own work and life, click the link below. And if this resonated, please like, subscribe, and stick around because there's a lot more videos on how to use your intuitive intelligence in business, investing, and beyond.